And today we have fan mail. We're in the house. It's too cold out. We're not going to the garage. We have fan mail from Wood and Metal Garage. Where's it from? Say Fort Worth, Texas.
Fort Worth, Texas.
Yeah.
2022.
So we're gonna open it up here, and I'm just gonna cut this open, and she's gonna open it.
Yep.
So thank you very much, Wood and Metal Garage. Here, you can open the inside. Show our fans. Do it in front of the camera. No, no, don't rip it open. Just open it up. It's already open the top. Look, see, like this.
Oh, yeah.
What's in there? Show me.
What? Stickers.
Oh, look at that. Awesome. Wait, does it go this way? There we go. We got how many stickers?
3.
Cool.
3 of them.
Thanks a lot. Is it this way? Oh, wait. Wood and metal, so it'll be that way. Cool. Awesome. Woohoo! We got stickers. Yay, Wood and Metal Garage.
3 of them.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We can use the knife. Bye.
Knife will always open it.
Anyone else want to send us stickers? Send us some stickers.
Yeah, we love stickers.
Yeah. Also, eventually I'll try to get some made, and we'll send everybody else some stickers. So, thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good one.
Stickers.
Bye.